There's more questions, Crystal, and this time ang tanong ay galing sa taong bayan.
Oh my God.
Bakit sa tingin mo deserve mo maging big winner when no one, not even your close friends, picked you na deserving sa big ticket for big jump?
Ako po, I don't think I deserve to be a big winner. I kept telling everybody about this. Even kuya, gusto kong pumasok sa bahay mo para mas makilala yung sarili ko. I wanna prove to myself that I'm capable of being so much more. Linaban ko na naman hanggang dulo because the people outside fought for me.
So do you want to be the big winner?
No. No. But of course, if yung po yung tingin sa akin ng mga tao, then tatanggapin ko po yun ng lubusan.
Sa tingin niyo ba siya yung nagsasabi ng totoo o hindi?
Ready ka na para sa hatol ng jury? Eto yun.
Next question will come from an ex-housemate. Crystal, please turn your chair. Welcome back, ex-housemate Waynona.
Sino sa part na ng Ultimate 8 ang hindi deserving sa spot? At kung papalitan mo siya, sino sa ex-housemates ang papalitan mo?
Wala. Everybody has really come to a point where we're all deserving of the ultimate eye.
Would you say ba na mas deserving ni Joaquin yun kaysa sa close friend mo na si Carmel?
Even Carmel, she didn't want to be part of the ultimate eye anymore. And though there's a part of me that wants to keep fighting, of course I have to pay respect to what she wants.
Waynona, okay ka ba sa sagot na yan? May I ask kung bakit lie ang tingin mo sa sagot ni Crystal?
How would you say na ayaw na nga niya talaga maging part ng Ultimate 8?
Because I know her. I know that she didn't want to be part of the ultimate 8 anymore. But she still kept fighting and she fought hard. Not just for herself, for her family, but for me as well.
Waynona, maraming salamat.
Is it a truth or a lie?
Truth!
Truth! Since, alright, Carmel is here, si Carmel can vouch for her na alam mo talaga sa sarili mo na ayaw mo na.
Ito ng hatol. 11 na truth and 1 lie.